I'm Rick with DIY with Rick, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble Osborne Wood Products' timeless trestle table. Let's get started. The base kit is going to ship in 4 separate boxes. Once you get them unpacked, lay out the pieces in the room you want to assemble the table in. With the timeless trestle table kit ready to go, it's time to assemble it. Flip over both of the pedestal bases along with the crossbeam, and then place the legs over top, making sure to line up the holes for a nice square, easy assembly. I'll be using a 3/4 inch ratchet to secure the lag screws into the base. I make my way around to each lag screw, making sure not to over-tighten one without letting the others catch up. As a side note while I'm ratcheting, when you're designing the tabletop for this, you want to make sure that it's at most twice the length of the kit, otherwise it may tip over. Once all the screws are secure, I'm going to flip the table over, center it in my room, and get ready for the arm assembly. The arm assembly is like a cross-halving joint, and it may take a strong constitution to push these things in all the way, so you may want to use a mallet. Place the screws in the designated holes and get to ratcheting. With the first set of arms firmly attached, I'm going to make my way to the other side and attach the second set of arms, but this time using a ratchet bit. Set your drill to the drill setting and switch to low gear. This way is a lot more fun and easier. Unfortunately, I did not charge my battery, so looks like we're going old school for the final stretch again. And that is it. Our timeless trestle table kit is assembled. For more information, please go to osbornewood.com. And to see the rest of this build video, check out DIY with Rick on YouTube. Thank you for watching.